restaurant here selling very nice food. We have cendol durian, you know. We have char kway teow. We have sengkuang calik, sistaju, Milo ice kepal. So many. So don't worry, you won't be hungry here. Yeah, it's very nice food here. Taratak. Yeah, taratak. Okay. Okay.
Come, I show you.
One by one.
Just sit like this. Come, I show you.
Take some grass.
Yeah, some grass. Then if you want to like this, okay, like this. You just take one.
Excited.
Then you just feeding like this. Okay. Okay. So you must hold the other lah, huh? This one like this. Girl, you want to try? Yeah, you want to try?
Oh, it's tough.
The one I show you. This one, you put in a thumb like this. You take out this. Just put in a thumb like this. You just show like this. Okay, you can try. No lah, we got to try.
Jilat.
Ini jilat ni.
Oh my goodness. It's a very fierce one.
Some you put for the ostrich. Then you have a cow there. Then the donkey. Then
Ni jauh kan?
125 kg. 10 to 15 years last.
Ani siapa ha?
Cow goat is
you
very
eat
big.
already. This one is a boar.
Huh?
The boar and sheep.
Oh, that makes sense. Very big.
They have a sometimes they have a big one. The one is already.
Not like the local one. Now we have reached the place where the ostriches are. Just now we have seen the mixed breed of these goats, which are very large, up to 125 kg. Look, this is the old ostrich here. We're going to feed the ostrich. Yeah, we're not going to eat the ostrich, but we're going to feed the ostrich now. You want this?
Pegang kakak. Besarnya dia.
You must go. Where's the packet? Okay, you see, feed the ostrich. Come.
我觉得好吃死。
Come.
Come on,
Wow! You want to try? Take a close up on the face. Oh, look at this. Okay. Wow! Take the face. Snapshot also. Come on. Oh.
Ready to eat?
Let us zoom in. This is ostrich village. So fast. Come on. They just fight. Oh, they are horse and donkeys. This African type of bird. Hi, look here.
Huh?
You want some food? Kissing some grass. Get the donkey.
Wow.
Dia mau mengorak ya. Kalau dah 2 miles. Houston donkey wise can travel Boni 2 miles. 60 years old lifespan. Feeding method. Hi, Mr. Donkey. Hi, Mr. Donkey. Would you like to have some grass? Talk to me. Yeah, so nice. Hello, donkey. Hello. Oh, donkey. Yes, nice. Lots of animals here. Look. Yeah. Sailing. Hi, Miss Ostrich. Peacock, huh? Very nice. Look at this peacock, so nice. Wow, this blue peacock. Yeah. Oh. See, the male and the female is different. Red body, the whole body, the chest. Look at the chest. Go down. Look at the chest. Now this is the place where all the wild orchids, ferns and so-called carnivorous plants in Malaysia, they eat other animals. Yeah. Okay, let's go in. Come on. Yes. Hi, rabbit. You want to eat this?
Nasib baik ni. Dah.
Right on the horse, on the pony. Yeah, this is a nice. Okay, how was your ride? Scary? Okay, thank you. So tame, this little cat. Oh, wow. You can stand on it, you know.
Okay.
This is a real ostrich egg. Look at that. Yeah.
I like.
Okay, but don't jump.
Jangan lompat.
Very strong. Here you also have the herbal oasis farm where all the herbs are there. Edible herbs, medicinal herbs stored inside. Okay. Here is the not open yet. Yeah. So Chris, you are the owner of this place?
Company lah.
Company lah. Okay, like company. So you're managing the whole thing lah.
Yes.
How long has this been open?
This farm has been around for more than 20 years.
Wow.
But the new management took over only in 2011.
Oh, I see.
It's about 9 years ago. 9 years.
I see. So recently affected by the MCO lah. Yeah. But now I think it's coming back.
We have zero income for.
Yeah, I know. Not only you lah.
Everybody.
Yeah.
But
So there's
some
some.
of us got hit even harder because like for us. Because we also had another place.
Oh.
The one was easy. The one was the shop.
Okay,
so we just closed it.
Okay.
And then after that, permanently we closed
Yeah.
it. There were no expenses.
Yeah.
Because
This one you have to maintain
This
the
one you got
animals.
To maintain. Oh, this is terrible.
Ah.
So the animals you cannot not feed them. That one.
Yes.
This is a killer.
Even the zoo also they are facing a lot of problems.
Even the zoos.
The
all
zoos,
The animals
okay, yeah.
You cannot run.
Yeah, the zoos, they have these wild animals.
Yeah.
They eat a
Because
lot.
your electricity, whether you open or not,
Yeah, you
open,
have to be on.
It's about the same,
Yeah, that's right.
So that is the challenge.
Never mind, we will see. After this, the things will get better. We hope and pray that it will be better, and so people will start flocking in again, like before. Yeah, bringing back the families and the kids to come over to your ostrich farm. I think it's very interesting. There are lots of variety and animals. Good for the family. I think it's very good for the family. Yeah, they would love the kids to to be introduced to these new animals which they have not seen before. Perhaps maybe live. Yeah. So hopefully one day we will see.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome, Chris. We're now back to where we have started, and we are going back, and it's goodbye for now to this ostrich farm. We'll come again and bring some friends to come over to this beautiful ostrich farm. Look at that. Okay, thank you. Huh? Okay. YouTube channel. Peter today. Peter today. Subscribe. Okay, boleh. Now there are people coming in already. There are visitors, even though it's a weekday. Look, people are flocking in now already. So nice. Okay, bye to the ostrich farm. Okay, at Port Dickson. Bye. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peter today. Remember, subscribe.
Okay.
Thank you. In the car? I thought on the road.